Okay, I'm just going to show you how to change the batteries in the Schlage electronic Wi-Fi enabled lock. There's typically a little screw here in the top hole which holds this little plastic cover on. In this case, I've removed that. So you just pop open the case. You see an old 9-volt connector here that's onto the battery pack. This is your control panel and microchips. Don't touch any of that and you're going to mess it up. So what you do first is you just pop this little 9-volt connector off. Otherwise you won't be able to get the battery pack out. Pull the battery pack out. You have 4 AA batteries. Exchange those out. Spare batteries can be found in the drawer next to the oven. Once you exchange the batteries, you slide that back in, reconnect the 9-volt connector. And there you go, we're working.